Was signing something you didn't work for in cool Halloween dog paw print pet dog lovers. Halloween costume shirt was bipartisan count as doing something? Even if he didn't sign it would be a law. And even if he vetoed it likely would have achieved a majority vote to force it into law. He fully funded the Land and Water Conservation Fund in perpetuity, as well as funded nearly all of the cool Halloween dog paw print pet dog lovers Halloween costume shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. I am simply pointing out one positive thing that he has done as president. This is definitely an example of a positive change. His denial of climate change data and cool Halloween dog paw print pet dog lovers Halloween costume shirt ignorance to scientists' recommendations to steer away from non-renewable energy and reduce carbon emissions is off-putting. So I'm not sure the act is a net positive. The president does not single-handedly do anything. And as much as people like to paint Trump, he's not a cartoon villain who purely hurts the world. I'd have to read more. But do you know if national parks were losing funding previous to this act? If so, I'll admit your example is a good one. Other products.